stuck in your business, no matter how hard you work, no matter what you do, you are still finding yourself stuck and not creating the results that you want. The problem just might be not what you are doing or how you're doing it, but it might be what you are believing. I help my clients identify what is between them and the creation of the success that they want. What is between them and creating the life of their dreams? And sometimes it is what they're believing. Many of us believe that working hard will solve everything. If I just work harder, if I just do more things, if I just work longer hours, if I achieve all these things, then I will get the result that I want. But there are some thoughts that you might be having that you might not even be aware you're having that are blocking you, stalling you, and costing you time, money, and success. And I help my clients find these. For example, I am not good enough. I find this thought so many times with so many highly accomplished, high achieving people. And they're not realizing that I am not enough is costing them time, money, and success. For example, if you believed I am not enough and you felt inadequate, a lot of people will go to work hard, do a lot of things, spend a lot of time, money, and energy to overcome the feeling of inadequate. They'll overcome and prove to people that they are enough. They will try to create proof and evidence from the fact that they're not enough. But this approach, no matter what they do, only creates more proof and evidence of how they are not enough. For example, I work with immigrant businesswomen, and one of the things that they do encounter a lot of is I don't belong. They immigrated to a new country, and so they assume they don't belong. And then this thought will have them feel insufficient. This thought will have them feel that they don't belong, that they're not part of everybody. And so they're at the conference room table. They're in the business trying to promote their business, but believing I don't belong. I don't belong here. I don't belong in this group. My value, my worth, my knowledge, my wisdom doesn't belong. So they keep silent. They hold back their unique approaches. They hold back their authentic approaches, and they don't help the people that they want to help. And so these thoughts like this are silently affecting our choices, our feelings, our actions, our inactions, our energy, how we show up in our life and our business. And so what I help my clients do is find thoughts like this. Because if you have these thoughts, they are sabotaging your success. And so even if we worked harder, we did more, it's going to just create more proof and evidence how these thoughts are true, but they're not. And so I help my clients first change their thoughts. And so I'm going to give you 3 quick wins you can take into your life today. First, uncover the hidden beliefs that are slowing you down and shaping your decisions. Uncover the beliefs that are slowing you down and are sabotaging you. And so I put together a quiz. The link is below. Take that quiz and uncover the thoughts that are just unconsciously running in the background and sabotaging your success. Second, I also have included an ebook so you can reframe these beliefs to be able to empower you, to be able to help you believe in yourself, to be able to help create what you want versus hindering you unconsciously. So for example, if you even transform this thought from I am not good enough to I am enough, that will impact your business. It will impact your money. It will impact your relationships. It will impact your career. It will impact just your enjoyment and peace of mind. And so being able to reframe it will change the way you experience your life. The third thing is start deciding to make confident, aligned decisions in your business from believing I am enough, from believing I belong, from believing I have the freedom to create my space anywhere I want to be. You are an asset to any room you walk into, and you need to learn how to believe that. And I can help you. The quiz below can help you. If If you're ready to uncover your core wounds, if you're ready to uncover your limiting obstacles that are blocking you from creating your success and transform your thoughts and feelings, I can help you. Take the quiz below and start your journey to identify what is between you and creating the life that you want. What is between you and the success that you want with ease, with joy, with peace. I help my clients really create a lot of success, and I can help you too. The link is below.